Hi, where you are? Yes, hi. Guys, when you're joining this particular meeting and if you want to be interact with me, no, we can have the chat on the live, you can use it. But you know what? If you want to do any messages and all, before that one you have to subscribe this particular channel. Otherwise, I may not see your messages and all. Okay, right? Right? Hello, hello, hi. Yes. Yeah, we'll start. We'll start. We'll start. Okay. Hi. Let's start our workshop. First of all, thank you so much for joining this particular workshop. And everyone, good morning. So, guys, please use the chat for if you want to talk to me or if you want to put any messages or if you have any kind of doubts, and you can use the chat. Yes, all of you put the message in the chat. I'm waiting for your messages. Hello. You can hear me, right? If you're able to hear me quickly, then you can do a message. If my voice and my video is everything is good, then you put message something like that, man. I can understand whether you're able to get it my voice or not, so that I can understand, right? So I got the messages from Bhavita Naik and hi, good morning. And Ajay, I got a message something like so good morning. Like, I'm waiting for messages from you all first, before we start our session. I need messages from your end. I can understand. And Satvika Karnatiki, audio and video. Okay, what video and audio, is it good? Yep, thank you. Yep, of course, might be. I've set up this thing, man, from the last one onwards. Yep. Okay, cool. Narendra, good morning, sir. Okay, what about others? And you know so many people are here, and I need the messages from your end. Okay, let's start. Cool. I think I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to see all of you here. I think I know many of here, like you are the recent graduates, and I think you are eager to step into the IT world, right? Am I right or not? If it is right, then you can put the message. Like I'm waiting for job and I'm looking for the skills, and that's something like, you can use the chat. Okay. And this particular today's session, it's not just like a theory or something like that. We are going deep into the real skills and practical knowledge, and it could be some kind of actionable insights. Definitely it could help you to land your IT job, right? Right? Right or not? And like before we started that, let me take a moment and get to each other. Okay, so let's do one by one. And please introduce yourself, like your name and your degree and your goal in IT. Okay, please put this particular message in the chat. No one will see. I only see that this particular messages. Please do that. I'm waiting for your messages. Okay, I'm waiting for your messages. Please do your name. Please do write your name and your degree and your the goal in IT. So you just do that. You just write in the chat. Write your names, write your degree, and write your goal in IT, so that I can understand, right? Who are attending this particular live and what they're looking for it, so that I can able to guide you guys. I can able to guide it just for guiding you. That's it. Okay. I'm waiting for this kind of information from your end. Might be, I know this live it bit of slow, and you might be hear this thing in a bit differentiation. And yes, 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 yes. And I got like the names like, oh god, good, 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 good. Vedanta Power and BSc Computer Science, and gain in demand skill and land, and that's great. Welcome, man, welcome, welcome. And Bhavita, okay, Bhavita Naik. And so Navya, okay, yeah, yeah. And before we send this thing, and please write your degree as well, so that I can understand what you're looking for it. I am Bhavita. Okay, yes, Bhavita, hi. And please do your degree. Please write your degree. Ajay Kumar studying BTech, of course. Good, good. All the best. Yeah, even you are the graduates or recently joined in a IT, or else recently joined your bachelor's of technology or something else. You're even you're a student, you can write it. Like it is not only for who are looking for job. It could help you for who are recently started your career as um, BTech student. Like, okay. Yes, yes. I am Bhavita. I have done BTech in electrical engineering. I am trying for get job in a develop skills. Yes, do that's yeah. Everyone can do that, Bhavita. I can guide you. Don't worry. You can stay until this entire workshop. You will get a lot of information how you can able to get it and all. So guys, I am waiting for your messages, your name and your degree and your role you're looking in IT. Okay, your goal in IT. So just this three information is fair enough, man. I don't need all kind of information. Let's talk in each and everything. Satvika from BTech, AML, learn skills in ML, and Jane. It's a great warm welcome. Yep. What next? Everyone, please do, man, please do, so that I can understand who are my audience. So if I'm something I'm teaching and somewhere some different guys, then no use, right? Right or not? So I want to know each and every degree and what your skills you're looking, or what kind of job you're looking in IT. That's what I want to know. Cool. Yep. Thank you so much for your messages, and thanks so much for your response. Okay. Let's do now a break. Let's do one activity, guys. Let's do one activity. It's just very simple thing. Okay. It's just kind of fun activity. Okay. It could be like I can tell you two truths and one lie. You have to find which one is the lie. Okay. Right? Are you ready? Are you ready for this particular game? Don't think it's just activity kind of thing. So like interaction between two us. Right? If you're ready, then I can tell you two truths about me, and I can tell you one lie. Then you can able to find out which one is the lie. Okay, I got messages from you all like, I want to tell you two truths, and you have to tell you one, and I can tell you one lie, and you can find out which one is a lie. Okay. Yep, yep, good, 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 good. Yep. See guys, I have trained over more than 2000 to 5000 between of the students have they have learned a lot of skills from my end. Okay, this is the one statement I have quote myself. Second one is, I once traveled to some kind of Atlantica kind of area. Okay. And third one is, now I am a certified data scientist and agentic AI engineer. So now your turn, you have to find out which one is the lie. You tell me. So based upon my expressions and my voice and all, you can tell me which one is the lie. And I can tell you one more time, I'm quoting my statements. The first statement is, I have trained more than 5000 students in a field of IT and artificial intelligence. I once traveled Atlantica area, and I am a certified data scientist and agentic AI engineer. So your turn, you have to find which one is the lie. You can use the chat for you can use the chat. No, I'm waiting for messages, guys. You have to put, man, you have to find out the lie. Which one is the lie? Even if you're not able to find the lie, then how you can able to identify, know who tells us something is it correct or not? Hmm? Sentence two, like sentence two means once travel to Atlantica, right? That's really correct. Yep, that's great, guys. That's a great interaction between. It's a great interaction with you, and you're all really awesome, really awesome, really awesome. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much for interacting this particular session. Okay, yes, that is really a lie. This is true. Okay, got it. Yeah. Let's, even if you want to do something like that, I can guess it. You can try two statements. One is the true and one is a lie. You can do that. I can identify. I can identify. This entire session, it could open for you all, and you can do anytime. I can able to identify. Okay, awesome. You did fantastic job. And now, we can ready dive into our exciting journey. Let's start understanding the IT industry. Okay, stand today and what kind of opportunities are waiting for you. Okay, let's talk about that kind of information, right? Let's dive into this particular session, guys. Okay, warm up is done. I'm so excited. And now now I would like to talk something, understanding of the where the IT industries now, and what are the opportunities are waiting for you, right? Let's talk now. Say yes or no. All right, let's talk about that one. Cool. Yep. See, guys. All right. All right. All right. See, IT industry is it's a booming kind of field actually. It's not just it's not just about the coding, or there are so many roles for everyone. And where you are might be developer, or you might be data enthusiast, or someone who loves working with the people like possess, and they're the place it is for you. It's IT. Got it? you know it might be, you might be there could be some kind of developers and data enthusiasts, and some people, they could do some kind of interactions, and people will process and all. These are all kind of part of the IT industry only. Okay, let's do some of the real world opportunities are waiting for you. You might be hot this kind of roles like software engineer, or support engineer, quality analyst, data analyst, and cloud administrator, or cybersecurity analyst. Okay, have you heard about this kind of things? If yes, let me know. Let me know, guys. Have you about these particular roles? Yes, yes, right. Let's talk one by one, and there could be lot of roles are there. Okay, so people are generally targeting only one role. That is wrong you're doing, because you guys are fresher, you are welcome for any platform. Got it? But the problem what you are doing, you're simply targeting only one area. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, for example, if you are experienced person in one particular area, then you can target with that particular technology. Got it? But you're the fresher, man. You are fresher, you are, you are open mind, like, you can work with any kind of area. You are eligible. Got it? You are eligible. Got it or not? You're eligible for any role. Whether it could be software engineer, whether it could be support engineer, whether it could be quality analyst, or whether it could be data analyst, whether it could be cloud administrator or developer, whatever it is, cyber security, artificial intelligence, data scientist, data analyst. Got it? This many roles are waiting for you, man. You're just targeting only one bloody role, and you're not, you can say, sir, I'm not getting the job, and I'm trying for last 1 year, I'm not getting the job. Nothing, man. Why? How you can get it? Because you are the fresher and you're eligible for all roles. All roles. Got it? All roles. But you're targeting only one. You're targeting only one. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, sir, sir, I'm a fresher, like, how should I able to crack that, this all kind, how should I apply this all kind of positions and all? Okay, see, as a freshers, if you are the fresher, if you are the fresher and you are welcome for this all roles, but you don't need to learn this all skills. Don't stuck learn, don't stuck learn something. Don't stuck learn only one piece of code, or don't lock yourself to learn one particular area. Okay, got it or not? You are the fresher, you are eligible for this all roles, but you don't need to learn. Got it? What Anjana sir is saying, like, he's saying that, don't learn, and how should I get the job? Right? Right or not? Yes, sir, I'm learning from the last 1 year, and I'm not getting the job, but you're saying that don't learn, in you will able to get the job. See, what I'm trying to tell you, you have to learn, but don't lock yourself, don't lock yourself into one specific area. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Got it? If you understood this particular point, please comment in S. Say yes or no. You got this particular point? See, one simple statement, what I'm trying to tell you. You guys are fresher, you're eligible for all the roles what companies are offering for you. Okay, you're eligible for everything, you're eligible for all the roles, but don't stuck with one specific role. Don't stuck with one specific role, but you have to learn fundamentals. You should be strong enough in fundamentals. You are eligible for this all the roles. Got it? Okay, as sir, I am learning data science from the last 1 year, and I learn python, I learn machine learning, I learn deep learning, I learn natural language processing, I learn cloud computing, I learn something like, cyber security, I learn this thing, I learn that. So many things I learned, sir, but I'm not getting the job. See, you are spending the time for learning, and where you're spending for applying the jobs, and where you're, how you're attending the interviews and all. Interviewer he's your boss. Interviewer is your boss. What he can do, he could is more intelligent than you. Of course, yes. Right or not? He might have a lot of experience in that particular area, and you said, sir, I am expert in this particular area, that but he is the expert than you. Got it? Yes or no? See, you are applying for and a cloud administrator, and you learn cloud administrator, and you said, sir, I have done cloud administration course, and I have, this is the certification, I have it, and I'm expert in the cloud administration, please give me the job. Then he is expert than you. Yes, he is working from the last 10 years, and he is interviewing you. Got it or not? He is interviewing you, he is more expert than you. Got it or not? See, even the cloud administrator, and he is looking your skills, how confidently you are answering, and you know, and what could be your communication skill in this particular point. Okay, and what is your fundamental, first of all, what is your psychology now, whether you able to do this particular job or not, or whether you're able to do just 1 month or 6 months, or after 1 year you could skip this particular job or not. This all kind of things you could able to check from your end, guys. Okay, you must be ready for the job. Okay, and you are wasting lot of time for learning is already done from the last 4 years. Okay, if you are completed your bachelor of technology, okay, within that 4 years only we have to complete your learning. And if you are completed your bachelor of technology right now, you're eligible for applying the jobs, and you're eligible for getting the jobs, and you're eligible for doing the job. Got it or not? But what people are doing, if you're completed your graduation and you started learning something, and you're wasted next 3 to 6 months, it's a very valuable for you. Okay, and you started learning, sir. Sir, I want to learn data science, sir, then only I should be perfect in data science, sir, then only I can apply for the job. Okay, that is a good idea, but it's a wrong step. I'm not confusing, guys. You should be focused on what you want to do. What you want to do, you should be focused. Okay, if you are completed your bachelor of technology this particular year, then you start applying the jobs. You start applying the jobs, not for spending the time for learning. You have to spend time for learning, but not all the time. Today onwards you have to start your resume. You have to build. First step is that you are completed, right? First, what you have to do, you should create your beautiful resume. First step, that is the first step. First you have to create your resume, that it should be fantastic. And that is the trailer for you. It's a trailer for your your career, your IT career. For example, I can tell you, you want to see one particular movie. Before watch that particular movie, would you like to watch the trailer or not? Yes or no? If it is really yes, you can put this. Without without watching the trailer, without watching the reviews and all, you know could you watch any movie as of now? Say yes or no? No, right? Without trailer watch, and you could not even see one single piece of movie, right? Yes or no? No, no, no. Yeah, see, that's what where we are. you know you want to land your IT job, then what you have to do? First, you have to create your trailer. That trailer is your resume. And the resume, what people are doing, sir, my name is, and name and phone number, email ID, sir, objective, done, sir, education, done, education session, done. Okay, there is no projects, there is no certifications, there is no internships, and you want to say that I want to get the job. Who will give the job? With the without using, who will give the job? No, if you see the resume of you, then if it is not like yourself, then who will like your resume? First thing is that it's a pretty important. I can write you guys, please note it, this important information. I can note it, please. Okay. Draw. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Sorry for inconvenience. I forgot to add that, this line. Just 1 second. Okay, are you ready? Note, the first important thing is, if you are looking for IT, then today, don't wait for, I can create the resume tomorrow, sir. Don't. If you really want to create the resume, then you can skip. If you want to really ready the resume tomorrow, then you can skip this particular, call. Okay. So first thing is that you should you should have beautiful resume. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen or not? This is the first step. If you lack of creating the resume, help, you can take help from us. I can help you how your resume could be looks like. Tomorrow I can show you a beautiful resume for you. So today's session I can tell you, only important things. Tomorrow I can show you practical things. Okay? You can see my screen, right? The first thing is that you should have the resume. This resume, if it is worth it, if recruiters really loves your resume, then they will keep your resume with them, and they will help you to get the job in different kind of roles. Clear? First thing is that you should have a beautiful resume. Second step is you should have linkedin. Okay, you should have LinkedIn. How many people are having the LinkedIn? If you have the LinkedIn portal, if you have the LinkedIn account, then you can put the message, yes, I have the LinkedIn. If you don't have, you can put that I don't have the LinkedIn. You can put the message. Guys, you can put the message. Do you have the LinkedIn? If you have the LinkedIn, you can put the message, I have the LinkedIn, sir. After this particular session, I can review all your messages. Okay, all your messages. Even now also I'm able to see that. If it is being time late, then what I can do, I can watch after this particular all the comments and messages, and after this particular workshop. Okay, so I can definitely review all the comments and messages. Okay, so most of are having the LinkedIn. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Huh? How beautiful it is. Do you have that, photo within the LinkedIn? Do you have the title, and have you mentioned your description of your LinkedIn? Have you enrolled, or have you written every education details? Have you put each and every project you did? And have you maintaining the proper post and all? Have you maintaining the proper connectivity? These are all, are you doing it? If you're not doing it, then how you can get the job? Say yes or no. These are all you should do. You have to maintain the not only the good resume. This is fine once upon a time, guys, but now it is not working. Okay, if you have beautiful, wonderful, and fantastic resume, you have, but you don't have the proper portals. You're not maintaining your LinkedIns. You're not maintaining your job portals like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Different job channels are there. How are you maintaining this all kind of things every day? Have you maintaining your 100% of you know um, profile maintenance? And how many days you are updating? Are you updating in a daily basis? Are you updating in a 2 days or 3 days onwards? Are you updating in a monthly ones? How you're doing, how you're updating it? Okay, this is the important. Not only LinkedIn, the portals, job portals, various job portals we have it. All the job portals you have to fill with your resume, with your all details, with your projects. And every day, or every 2 days, every 3 days, you should not in a 3 days such, every day you should update. Every day you should update. Every day, you have to be learn some new skills, and you can post that information. For example, you learn one particular skill today, and you can post that information in the LinkedIn. Because most of HR recruiters are using LinkedIn only these days. They're not, because LinkedIn is the mostly freely available platform to everyone. Of course, there could be premium. Okay, and it is a very minimal cost. But rest of all the job portals like Naukri and all, to maintaining the HR recruiters, it could be bit of tough for them. Okay, and but in case of LinkedIn, they're, they are getting the right peoples. They're getting the right people. Got it? So that is the reason, if you have beautiful resume and if you're maintaining the LinkedIn actively properly, and you should have proper job portals, and then you have to be updated on daily basis, and you should have quality. If you maintain the quality in resume and in LinkedIn or various job portals, then there could be chance of 80% chances are there. Sir, I'm doing every day, I'm updating it, but I'm not getting the job. Yes, at least you're not getting any kind of calls to them. And how you're speaking, you're updating, you're getting some calls from the recruiters. How you're speaking with them? Are you speaking in a high level language? High level language means like not Python or no, not Python, Java kind of things. High level language means, if I put the some kind of if I put some kind of interview to this particular guy, will they able to crack this particular round or not? Will you give that kind of confidence? Are you speaking with them? Are you speaking with them this kind of confidence? Say yes or no. Are you speaking them with this particular confident? Hmm? Say, say yes or no. If you're not able to speak this kind of confidence, then how you can able to put the interview for you? Tell me. So next one is recruiters calls. How to handle the recruiters calls? That is a pretty important. First one is resume building, proper resume building. According to the resume, you should able to create your beautiful LinkedIn and various job portals, and after that one, you have to practice well how you have to talk to the recruiters, to conducting the first round or second round, third round. At least if you're able to get the first round of interview, that is good enough, man. Even you're not getting the first interview means, what is mean that you're not able to speak well, you're not able to maintaining the proper LinkedIn's, you're not able to maintaining the proper job portals, you're not able to maintaining the proper resume. These are all the problems you have it. You have to rectify it. If and only if you're able to rectify these all things, then only you can able to get the calls, and then only you can able to talk to them. And if you're able to talk to them in a proper way, then they can able to put the first round of interview. If you have proper skills, if we have the proper skills, then you can able to crack that particular round. And you're most of the time you're putting only for learning. You're not able to maintaining these things, then who will maintaining, guys? Who will maintain these all things? If you're not getting the first round of interview, then what? You learn thousands of skills, you're not able to get the first round of interview, then who will use for that? Say sir, no. Are you getting are you getting my points? Are you getting my points or not? Are you able to get my voice or not? Yes. So you should keep learn, but learning is a part. But these things important, guys. These things are important. Resume building, LinkedIn, proper job portals maintaining, recruiters call, handling the recruiters call. This all you should maintaining. Then whatever you have, whatever you have the skills, that skills is valid. Until then, it's a invalid skills only. Okay, got it? You have the proper resume, you have the proper LinkedIn, you have the portal, and you have you know how to talk to the recruiters, and you have the proper skills, then you will able to get the job. Simple, right? It's not simple in real time. It's bit of hard. I know. I know. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? I am here to help you to answer your questions. I can give you some time for you, and you can ask the question. I can answer your questions. I will answer your questions. I will answer your questions. Please ask your questions, guys. If you have any doubts, sir, I am whatever the doubts you have it. Okay, whether it is silly or correct, whatever it is. Okay, whatever you have in brain. If you have any questions, okay, you can ask the questions now. I will help you. I will answer your questions so that you will get some idea. We are offering direct placement in IT industry. Who? Who is RV? We are offering direct placement in IT industry. I didn't get your question, RV. We are offering direct placement in IT industry. What is mean that? We want to collaborate with you. Sure, man. You can, you know, this is my number. Okay, you can contact me. 97696967632. Okay, you can WhatsApp me or you can call me anytime. Definitely we'll work on it. What we can do for the freshers, definitely we'll work on it. Okay. Yeah. Thanks a lot. We will contact you. Thank you so much, Ravi. Yeah. Any questions, guys? I'm waiting for your questions. See, guys, today one more person. His name is RV. In the chat only messaged us, and he is saying that we will help you for your students and all for getting jobs and all. Yeah, I will evaluate it those and all. I can definitely help you with help of the RV and all. Okay, got it? Okay. 7696967632. This is my number, RV. You can put the WhatsApp message or you can call me after the workshop. We'll discuss. Okay, cool. Next. Next. Any questions, guys? No questions? No questions? If you have no question, you can put the message no questions. I can understand these guys are not having any questions. See, guys, if you don't have the questions, what is mean that? You should have the questions, guys. If you have the questions only, then only you can able to clear your doubts. What do you, if you don't have any questions and even it is doubt, sir, recently I graduated, sir, what I want to learn? See, that is also question, right? If you ask the question, then I can able to guide you. If you not ask the question, then how should I guide you? Sir, present we are studying first year. How I should learning courses? How we start learning courses? Well done, well done. Let's talk about if you are the first year or second year, third year or final year. Okay, you're not graduated. You're still studying, even first year, second year, third year or final year, whatever it is. Okay, this is a tip for you guys. Okay, this is the tip for you. See, what we can do. What we can do if you are the student and if you want to get the job at fourth year, okay, then you have to start learn from the first year onwards. So there could be 3 years of plan. You should have the 3 years of plan. You should have the 3 years of plan. See, people are what they do, they're enjoying the 4 years, and from the fourth year onwards they started applying the jobs and they started hunting for the jobs. Okay, and definitely even though they will land the dream job, but it will take at least most, not all the people, at least more than 80% of the students or more than 80% of the job seekers, okay, are getting the job, you know after the graduation, after the 3 years of graduation, or at least 2 years of graduation. Even some people are not getting that way also, because of lack of communication skills, lack of subjective skills and all. Okay, and they're losing valuable 3 years of time. So that is the reason. If you are still studying, that is a boon for you guys. That is a boon for you. Then you can start. You have to plan at least 3 years before. Okay, first year what you do, you can concentrate on the, don't concentrate on multiple things at a time. Okay, you can concentrate on the aptitude. Without aptitude, without reasoning, you can't even single piece of entry. Okay, without aptitude, without reasoning skills, you can't even crack single interview. If it is a non technical, then fine. Okay, if you want to really crack the IT or technical job, then you should have the good skills in aptitude and reasoning. If you have a time, you can start learning. Whether you want to learn yourself, or you want to watch some various YouTubes or whatever it is. Okay, you can use, either you want to join any one of the institute and you want to learn, you can start learning. Okay, whether it is online, offline, whatever it is. First, you should have a skills with aptitude and reasoning. If you are the first year to third year or fourth year students, this is for this is for this is for BTech students or BSc students. This is for students, not graduates. This is for students, not for graduates. Okay, and aptitude and reasoning. Second one is, after completion of aptitude and reasoning well, then you can start learning any one of the coding, any coding. ఏది ఇష్టం ఉంటే, whatever the coding you are interested, you can start learning that coding. If you are interested with C, you can start learn C, but learn only one code perfectly. In your graduation and your academics, you might have the C, you might have the Java, you might have the Python. Lot of programming languages are there, but you might be confused which programming language I should learn. Okay, but what I'm trying to tell you, before you can do, you should choose your interested coding. So which one is easy to understandable for you, that particular programming language, you can choose it. Whether it is a C, whether it is a Java, whether it is a Python, any programming language, doesn't matter what it is. Okay, if you're the student, then you can concentrate on your interested programming language, or in an easy way, which programming language you are able to learn, that particular programming language, you can choose it. Doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter what it is. Second one is, any easy way, or any easy way to learn coding. Okay, so which one is easy for you, then you can start learning that one. Third one is data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms. Have you heard about these particular skills? Yes. How many people are having the skills in data structures and algorithms? DS means not data science, data structures and algorithms. Okay, so you can start learning data structures and algorithms if you are the grad student, if you are the student. Okay, fourth one is, in the fourth semester, this is the first semester, this is second semester, this is third semester, this is fourth semester. In fourth semester, we can start learn some database, SQL. In fourth semester, you can start SQL. Okay, and in fifth semester we can start one particular cloud. That's it. That's it. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, that's it, guys. If you're the student, don't learn multiple things. Okay, you might be confused. Sir, present software industry looking for experienced guys. As for the freshers, how can I get the job without prior experience? Yeah, if someone is experienced now, somewhere, they were the freshers only. Okay, got it or not? Everybody asks the experience, right? But don't think such a way. So if someone is experienced guy, that means somewhere time, in the past, he is the fresher like you only. Okay, got it? So it's a wrong enthusiast, it's a wrong kind of understanding in IT. I can tell you what are the myths are going on in a industry. I can show you. I can tell you those kind of things. Okay. See, I'm talking about our first year, second year, third years, final years. Okay. If you are in the first years and you can plan for third year, in engineering itself, in a BSc itself, you should have good skills in aptitude reasoning, any one of the coding and data structures and algorithms with that particular programming language, and one particular database management system, and one particular cloud, any cloud, whatever you are interested. I can always tell you, like, Azure, it's a bit of costly kind of $200. It will be free. It's a free. Azure, AWS, GCP, they're freely available for you guys. You can start working on those things actually. Okay. So after completion of one, after this all things, or after you learn this all things, what I can suggest you, we can apply for internships. You can apply for internships, but people are applying for internship with a free of cost. Like, you are paying the getting the internship certificates and all. That is wrong, guys. That is wrong. Internship means you're putting some efforts, for implementing that particular task. That means you should. I can tell you, Ravi, in a message I can tell you 7696967632. Okay, I put the message, you can take that from. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you, okay, so if you are completed these things, if you are the student, you know aptitude reasoning, you know coding, you know data structures and algorithms, you know SQL, and you know cloud, then you have to apply your skills. You should apply your skills on real IT industry as an intern. In an intern, you should ask the money. Don't give the money for internships, guys. This is a scam. It's a scam. Okay. If someone tell you, like, I can provide the internship, you should pay 5,000, that's a scam, guys. Internship means you're helping them. If you're helping them, you should take the money from them. Got it? Okay. Whether it is a 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is, you should take some money for helping them as an intern. Okay. Next one is, next one is, in internship, you might able to get some real oriented skills. It's fair enough to get the job, if you're attending any real interviews. So this internship skills is really helpful for you. Got it? If you're the freshers. Okay, now it's fine. Sir, I got some messages. Sir, recently I have completed my graduation. What I have to do? Got it? How many people are having this question? You can say yes. I have same doubt I have in my mind. You can put s if you have it. Really, if you have it, you can put s. Really, if you have this particular question, you can put s. Nitin, is you have the doubt. Nitin, what is your graduation? When did you completed your graduation? Nitin, when did you completed your graduation? I'm watching your messages. Don't think like, I'm not watching your messages. I'm watching your messages. May 2025. Welcome to, IT field, first of all. Okay. Yeah. Now, I want to I want to guide you. If you are recently graduated, what skills I should have? Sir, what I need to learn first? Okay. What I have to learn first? Hmm? First, you can start learn Python. So previously, if they are studying something, I tell them, like, you can choose any programming language, right? Any programming language, whatever you are interested. But coming to the freshers, I strictly recommend them Python programming language. Why? 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 I will tell you why. Okay. Second one is SQL Server or Microsoft SQL or cloud integrated SQL. Second one is don't don't spend too much time for learning those things only. So that is the reason I can tell you cloud integrated cloud integrated SQL. Here the cloud means I can strictly tell you Azure. Try with Azure. Don't try with AWS. Don't try with GCP. I'm not against for those things, but why I'm recommending these things, I can tell you in last. Okay. So cloud integrated with SQL and Python. And third one is aptitude and reasoning. This three. This three is enough. This three is enough. Don't spend too much time for learning various things. If you have Python, cloud integrated SQL, aptitude and reasoning, okay, then what you do, you have to create the proper resume. You have to create the proper resume with this particular skills, what you did as of now. Okay, got it? So how you should resume will looks like, it should be replicating your master in Python, your master in using the SQL in cloud, okay, your master in problem solving skills. It's fair enough. That is the first level of resume. This is first level of resume, guys. This is not final resume. This is not final resume. This is first level of resume. So you can start learning Python, you can update your resume. If you learn SQL and Azure, you can update the resume. If you learn aptitude and reasoning, then you can say I have cracked, I have done this or the interviews, or I have done I have completed this many Hacker rank test and all, this is the score I have it. That kind of things you have to put in your resume. Okay, just these three skills is enough in a basic level or first level. Okay, after that one, we have to update the you have to update the resume. Okay, so sir, I know these skills, I know these skills, and but I know I don't know how do I build my resume with these skills. Don't worry, you can message me, I can help you. Okay. And next one is, once you've done these things, you can start building your resume, and you can create your proper various job portals. You can start applying the jobs. You can start applying the jobs. you know while you're applying the jobs, don't stop your learning again. Okay, one way you have to apply the jobs, one way you have to learn how to speak them, and third way is you have to be keep update your skills as per the IT market. As for the IT market currently, which technology is having more demand, that particular technology, right side we have to learn it. First one is learn fundamental skills, and second one is you have to be boost your career, and third one is upgrade your skills. But if you are the first year, second year, third year, you already upgrade your skills in the year of third year or fourth year itself with your industry level of internship. Got it? But you don't have that kind of opportunity, right? You have to learn these skills, and one way you have to upgrade your communication skills, and one way you have to upgrade your resume, and one way you have to update your various job portals and all. And next way, what you do? Next thing is that you have to be keep learning some new skills which is strictly IT demanding skills, not what you are interested, not what you are interested, not someone tell you. You should investigate. You should investigate which IT which are the skills or which are the tools are most demanding this particular 2025. Okay, you can keep you can keep research and get that information, and you can according to do that after completion of this thing, then you can try for those things. Without these skills, don't learn. I strictly tell you, without Python skill, without cloud and SQL, and without aptitude reasoning, don't 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 learn any new technology. You're not eligible. Don't waste your money, don't waste your time, don't waste your time, don't waste your money for learning new skills without this fundamental skills. If we have fundamental skills is enough, then you can start learning some new things. Okay, got it? I'm not against for learning some new skills. I am requesting to you, if you really want the job, then you have to be concentrate on the this fundamental skills. Okay, this fundamental skills. Got it or not? Okay. So guys, this is for today's workshop. Okay, tomorrow i want to I want to spend time who really need the job and all. Okay, and who recently graduated. Okay, for them I can give you more information and what could be the strategies you have to follow. For today's session is that, I hope you really understood and I hope you really loved it. And if you really loved it, what you can do, you have to be put the message and comments in my comment session, and please subscribe this particular channel. And one more thing is that tomorrow session is that who really completed their graduation and who really get want the job, and I can help you for them, and what could be the strategies we have to follow in a step by step for the next 1 year of plan. Okay, but I hope I hope for everyone should get the job within a couple of months only if you follow that particular strategy. If you not follow the strategy, definitely it will take a lot of time. Okay, so tomorrow session I can reveal that particular strategy for you know for uh, for fresh graduates. I hope everyone like this particular thing, and thank you so much for your time, guys. Take care. Bye.